You know, I will say that the camera for the white balance is so bad. Oh yeah.
Do you have dark mode on? Or night mode?
No.
That does look really bad.
Yeah, it's like super orange.
Oh, you're recording. Alright, well.
Oh, yeah, that's way better. Way better. What's up, man? At PDC, we got some drinks. I got an ice mocha. It was good. I give it a 8.5 out of 9. You thought I was gonna say 10. What's up, y'all? All right, this is the inside of the Ferry building. That right there is an old school hand for the clock. Yeah. All right, well, that is Coffee Breaks with John. Peace.